LASIK.
Introduction.
The cornea and the lens of the eye focus light on the retina.
Select true or false.
Correct. Please point to the cornea.
Choose one of the following options.
Correct. The goal of refractive surgery is to reshape the cornea so that it focuses light on the retina better.
Select true or false.
Correct. Children with vision problems can have LASIK surgery.
Select true or false.
Correct. LASIK is not recommended for children or persons younger than 18 because their eyes could still change.
Patients with very severe myopia may still need to wear glasses or contacts after the procedure. Select true or false. Correct. Patients with severe myopia can benefit from LASIK, but may still need to wear glasses or contacts after the procedure.
During LASIK surgery, the patient can feel pain.
Select true or false.
Correct. LASIK surgery is painless.
Most patients see great improvement in their vision within their first few days after a LASIK operation. Select true or false. Correct. Most patients see great improvement in their vision within the first few days after a LASIK operation, but vision may be slightly blurry right after the procedure.
Corneal infection is common after LASIK surgery.
Select true or false.
Correct. Infections in the cornea are rare, though they can still happen. LASIK surgery is always successful.
Select true or false.
Correct. LASIK surgery is a very successful procedure, but is not always successful.
Thank you for using Explain.